Hello, I'm Jack and welcome to my channel, and this is my bedroom. I recently redid everything, got a new bed, got a new desk, got a new wardrobe, and because it's quite a small bedroom, I thought I'd share how I utilise the space to be most efficient. When you're in a small bedroom, you need to work out where everything's going to go so you best use the space. So I drew out my room on a piece of paper, got some post-it notes and drew different wardrobes, different desks and bed so I can fit them best into my bedroom. Most beds are all about 2 meters long. Now that's fine with this bedroom, apart from the fact that the width of this is 2 meters. So yes, it would probably fit, but with most beds, if you imagine this is the leg of the bed, from the outside you have to physically screw it in. And with this room and the space that we've got, you wouldn't be able to put a screw in because that would add extra width. And you couldn't like put it this way and then like rotate it around because there just wouldn't be enough space. So we've had to go with this bed. This bed is actually in 2 parts. It's a divan based bed, so we've got 2 parts here. These 2 actually clip together here and are actually in 2 parts. So 2 massive square blocks which we get through the door, put them down here next to each other so they just sit together next to each other, and got a bracket which comes across here and just holds them in place. The other great thing about these beds is that they've also got, well this one particularly, has a drawer at the bottom, so that you can put extra storage in there as well. This bed was really hard to find and there aren't very many of them in 2 pieces like that, so I put a link for everything that I've talked about in this video in the description so you can find out where I got this from. With a lot of stuff in this bedroom, loads of it is from Ikea actually, and this desk, well, I already had this chair, this was from Ikea. And this is a Micke desk from Ikea as well. I got the desk in a dark colour to go with the dark chair, and it also goes with the brown on the bed and on the curtains. The good thing about this desk is it's not too long. They also do another size which is a bit longer, but this is alright for me. It's the same sort of thing that I used to have, and it's also got a drawer here. And in the drawer I keep my Mac there with the my iPad and other bits and bobs. And everything that's in here is charged and plugged into an extension lead which sits on the back on a little shelf so it's out of the way, which is really handy. Now this wardrobe is the largest bit of my bedroom. It is absolutely massive. It's like that long. Huge. It takes up most of the space in here, and when we were actually assembling it we really struggled to find the space to put it, and it was lie down on its back and filled up the whole of the bedroom. The really good thing about this is the storage. They do a smaller one which is about this big, but it's not as great for storage, so we thought we'd go with the bigger one so that we can have more storage. So let's have a look inside. These are quite customizable for wardrobe, so you can put this rail wherever you want. On this side I've got it so that it's a full length wardrobe, so I can have like my jackets and stuff all hung up, and I've got hats on the bottom here. On the other side we've got a shelf at the top which I've got some camera gear on, and then my t-shirts are here. Then we've got some more shelves as well which I can put some jumpers and some folded up trousers in too, which is really handy. The sliding doors make it really easy to get into. And in a small bedroom like this, if I had opening doors, they'd come out so far that you wouldn't be able to get past when you're trying to get into stuff. So this is really good for a small space because it doesn't actually add any extra length or width to the bedroom. And that's not even it for the wardrobe. If we just look down a minute, you can actually see we've got drawers here which you can put stuff in. There are 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're just under the height of that and go quite far back. I've got all sorts in them at the moment. They're actually quite empty because I've run out of stuff to put in there. But That's really good to put extra things in. You can put shoes in there perhaps. So that's a really good use of space, adding extra height to it because height isn't a massive issue. Speaking of height, this is what I put on top of the wardrobe. We've got all the extra stuff which I don't use as often, all the stuff that's just too big. So I've got my guitar up there, which is out of the way. Another great thing to do is actually utilise the spare wall space by putting shelves up like this. So at the top I've got space for my folders, then I've got camera stuff here, and then general bits and bobs which I've just put on this shelf. Right next to my bed and the wardrobe here, I've got this, which is a stack of drawers which I can put my underwear and socks and stuff in, as well as using it for storage space. So that is a quick look at my small bedroom, mostly consisting of Ikea stuff and actually really utilising the small space that I've got in here. If there's anything which you think I might have missed out, feel free to just drop it in the comments and I'll try and reply to that as soon as possible. But other than that, that's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I upload videos every Monday and Friday. If you like this video, why not give it a like? Perhaps subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on Monday. Thank you very much for watching. Hello, I'm Jack. Bye!